My name is Emiliano, and I am in the Architectural Design program.
My name is Anna Scott, and I am in the Interior Design program.
I'm Gavin Hahn, and I'm in the CNC program here at WSU Tech.
And I am a foundation
Scholarship
Recipient.
I always joke that it was kind of in my blood. It was always a part of me. I always loved interior design. When I was a kid, I stopped playing with my Barbie dolls and I would design their house instead.
My dad was a pilot, and now he's training down at Southwest in Dallas. My mom is a flight attendant for Southwest as well. My whole family's in that aviation world.
I chose architectural design because I really like the creative process of creating drawings from certain inspirations that I have, such as Gothic buildings that I really find amazing.
I wanted to stay in Wichita, and I knew WSU Tech was a great place to go to school.
And they had a really great interior design program that was free to me as a high schooler, and that gave me the opportunity to go and learn in a college setting.
And I found WSU Tech and their architectural program. I wasn't hesitant to join.
I'm doing the CNC program right now, but I just want to be in the aviation industry. I believe it will launch me into a place that I can't even imagine I'll end up at.
The process of finding scholarships is really easy because WSU Tech puts them all in a happy little folder for you, and you can just go through and make it really easy to apply.
And then I found Douglas M. Tate Memorial Scholarship.
Getting this scholarship makes me feel proud of myself. I've never received a scholarship, so this is pretty amazing.
If I could speak to the family of Douglas M. Tate, I would say his story is very inspirational and that I'd want to be just like him.
If I could address someone from the Professional Women in Building Scholarship Committee, I would just say thank you. Thank you for putting back into the education program for designers and for possibly builders. Thank you for financially supporting students as they're working hard to get through college.
This isn't just a scholarship, it's an investment in my future.
This scholarship has opened doors that I never thought were possible.
You are helping me build a future that I've always dreamed of.